November 29. I was working on my artwork called Cocoon, but my old tools kept holding me back. Every time I tried to chase details, my pencil just couldn't keep up. They say tools don't define an artist, but sometimes you need an extra push. And that's when Scoobu stepped in. I thought it's something great, so I put my headphones on, grabbed the knife, opened up the box, but I was wrong. It's just a bunch of crap. Why? Details. They are like seeds. Sow and water them, and one day they bloom into something extraordinary. I got these two zebra mechanical pencils from Scoobu. Wait, did I say two? Yes, with these premium mechanical pencils having precise fine tips with clever pop-up eraser, every stroke felt sharp, with clean details. Thank you Scoobu for these premium mechanical pencils by Zebra.